Have you ever wondered why Jewish people are often seen as successful in business? Today, we'll reveal 10 essential Jewish business secrets you should know. Embrace the wisdom that can elevate your entrepreneurial journey. The first secret is the importance of education. Teach your children how to earn a living and equally how to swim. Both skills are crucial for navigating life's challenges. Next, honesty is critical. Always be truthful in your business dealings. Integrity builds trust and long-lasting relationships. Then develop a positive relationship with money. Remember, money is a tool. Use it to build communities and support families. Helping the community is also vital. Engage in initiatives that benefit those around you. Don't forget to give back. Aim to donate at least 10% of your earnings to charity. Generosity enriches your life and strengthens your community. Strive to be an owner or boss rather than just a worker. This mindset empowers you and drives your success. Treat others as you wish to be treated. The Golden Rule fosters respect and cooperation in business. When it comes to financial management, diversify your assets. Keep 1/3 of your money in cash, 1/3 in real estate, and 1/3 in inventory. This strategy helps ensure stability. Taking a day off each week or observing the Sabbath is essential for rest. It promotes balance and rejuvenation in your life. Lastly, trust in God. Having faith can guide you through business decisions and challenges. These 10 secrets can help you create a winning business plan, market your company, and generate revenue. Watch this video to dive deeper into these valuable tips and transform your business approach.